When calculating the electrical load for a commercial retail space, specifically a 9-bed tanning salon, each tanning unit operating at 220 volts and 40 amps, it's important to understand how demand factors apply. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not provide a specific demand factor for tanning salons. In the absence of a specific code requirement, a common industry practice is to apply a demand factor of 0.725 to the tanning salon load. This means that the total calculated load can be reduced by 25% when determining the required electrical service. The justification for using a demand factor is based on the likelihood that all tanning units will not be operating simultaneously. Typically, in a tanning salon, it's unlikely that all beds will be occupied at the exact same time. Therefore, reducing the total load accounts for this diversity in usage. Let's look at an example calculation. With 9 tanning units, each at 220 volts and 40 amps, the total calculated load would be 9 units times 220 volts times 40 amps, which equals 79,200 volt amps. Applying the demand factor of 0.75, we multiply 79,200 volt amps by 0.75, resulting in 59,400 volt amps. This reduced load of 59,400 volt amps is what you would use to determine the appropriate electrical service size and circuit protection requirements. Note, it is crucial to consult with your local authority having jurisdiction, ORJ, to verify any additional requirements or exceptions that may apply to the specific location of the tanning salon. They might have specific local codes or interpretations that could impact the load calculation.